Hi friends, welcome back to SLR Studies, and today we are going to discuss about applications of derivative, the next sum. Okay, so let's look into the session. So friends, here we can see the seventh sum. So the seventh sum is from a rectangular sheet of dimensions 30 centimeters into 80 centimeters. Okay, so 30 centimeters into 80 centimeters, 4 equal squares of side x centimeters are removed at the corners and the sides then turned up so as to form an open rectangular box. Find the value of x so that the volume of the box is the greatest. Okay, so in this sum he has asked to find out the value of x when the volume is greatest, but he has not asked the greatest volume. Okay, so we have to find up to the value of x, that's it. When the volume is greatest, we have to also prove that the value is greatest. Okay, so let's look into the problem. So the problem has given that there is a rectangular sheet whose length is 80 centimeters and breadth is 30 centimeters. So he has cut 4 sides like this, 4 corners, 4 sides, 4 squares he have cut. So the lengths are x centimeters, x centimeters, x centimeters and x centimeters. Okay, so and he has turned up these sides like this to form an open rectangular box. Okay, so the upside is empty for that box. And so now the length of open rectangular box will be, this hole is 80 centimeters and this is x and this is x, they have been removed, right? So the length of rectangular box will become as, from 80 it will turn to 80 minus 2x centimeters, and here the breadth also, from 30 centimeters it will turn into 30 minus 2x centimeters, because you have cut 2 sides, right? 2x centimeters sides. Okay, from this he has asked to find out the value of x when the volume of the rectangular open box is a maximum. Okay, so first we have to form an equation, right? So he has also given that the word volume, what is the formula of volume? Length into breadth and height. We know only length and breadth, right? So let's take the length of the rectangular box as equal to 80 minus x centimeters, 2x centimeters, and the breadth is equal to 30 minus 2x centimeters, and height is equal to x centimeters. So that's it. So now what is the formula for volume? V is equal to LBH. So that is 80 minus 2x into again 30 minus 2x of x. So that's it. So it will become as 2400x minus 160x square minus 60x square plus 4x cube. So if you multiply this will come. Okay, so from this we can write 4x cube minus 220x square plus 2400x, right? So let's take this as a f of x. So let f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 220x plus x square plus 2400x. So friends, finally first we have got a function. Now we have to differentiate it with respect to x. So now while differentiating it, f double dash of x is equal to 3 4 12x square minus 440x plus 2400. Okay, so again we have to differentiate it. For second derivative, f double dash of x is equal to 24x minus 440 plus 0, that is f double dash of x equals 24x minus 440. That's it. So now in order to get the value of x, we have to equate f of x equal to 0 for maxima or minima. So for maxima or minima, f dash of x should be equated to 0. What is f dash of x? 12x square minus 440 x plus 2400 must be equated to 0. Now taking 4 common on these 4x, 4 of 3, 4 of 3x square minus 110x plus 600 is equal to 0. So 3x square minus 110x plus 600 is equal to 0. So what is 600 into 3? That is 1800. So in order to this have to be bifurcated into 2 to get 1800. So the first one is minus 90x minus 20x. So minus 90x into minus 20x is what? 1800x square. That is, so 3x square minus 90x minus 20x plus 600 equals to 0. So 3x of x minus 30 minus 20 of x minus 30 is equal to 0. So x minus 30 of 3x minus 20 is equal to 0, and so therefore x equal to 30 or 20 by 3. We will take this 20 by 3 only. We will not take this value of 30, because if you keep x equal to 30, then what is the value of breadth? 30 minus 2 into 30, that is 30 minus 60 is equal to minus 30. So the value of breadth will not be negative, right? So we have to take x is equal to only 20 by 3. It is the correct one. So x equal to 20 by 3. So now f double dash of 20 by 3. What is the value of f double dash of 20 by 3? So is equal to 24 into 20 by 3 minus 440. Okay. So what is the value of 24 into 20 by 3? 3 ones are 3 8s are 24, right? So what is the value of 8 into 20? That is 160 minus 440. So finally the value is, so final value is minus 280, right? So minus 280 is less than 0 or greater than 0? It is less than 0, right? So therefore the function f of x has greatest or maximum value volume when x equals 20 by 3. That's it. The sum is completed. Once check the whole sum from first onwards, slowly come down. So that's it. So friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and please to subscribe for our channel for some more interesting videos. So thanks for watching this video, friends.